Here we have Adam Lucas Murphy and Jan Thomas Larsson. Thumb sucking to their heart's delight. So, Adam, Jan, what do you think about North Korea's prospects on the world stage now that Kim Il-jung's dead?
What do you think about this one? What do you think about this? Yeah. Less scary that than the effects in North Korea, isn't it? Definitely. You like that? You like that? Do you want it? Do you want it? Where's the squeaky one? The closest.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's on the sofa over here.
Look at them! They're like both sucking.
What's this? What's this? Yeah, eat it, eat it. Yeah.
Hi, gorgeous. Gorgeous Murphy. He's beautiful.
He's showing it, look. Look, Adam, look, I'm showing you this. Yeah. Whoever sees that video will think that I never feed him. There we go.
It's yummy, isn't it? Yum, 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 yum. Shoving things in their mouth.
Are you both starving? Are you both starving? Good, isn't it? That's a good little squeaky thing. What about this one? Got one more. What? Yeah, what's that? Hello, sweetheart. Hello.